Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to reset Samsung TV factory settings. Let's go. Open smarthub, settings, all settings, general, reset, enter your PIN. How to reset smarthub: support, device care, self-diagnosis, reset smarthub, enter PIN. That's it. Now you know how to reset Samsung TV factory settings. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.